Hey everybody, it's Jamie. This is my bag of money. And in my previous video, I had explained to you all what I was doing. Lisa Grateful Me has all these cute little envelopes, savings envelopes. So she asked if anybody was going to be doing the bag of money with her. I'm going to, because y'all, I love her challenges. They're so good. So we are going to just randomly pick out six envelopes. I'm not looking. I'm just digging around. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, what we are going to do is lay these out. I don't think I put down on the back of it. No, I'm not put down on these. I think what I decided to do with some of these little cute farm animal ones, I'm going to use them for my homestead in the spring. So I'm just going to scoot these down a little bit so we can get a good look at them. Let me see if I can actually zoom out a little bit more. I don't want y'all to see my nasty desk. I gotta get it clean. I've been trying to rearrange a lot of stuff and declutter a lot of stuff. Let me see if... I don't like that lighting. Okay, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, $27 to add into these. So I'm just going to lay that right there. And there's that. Okay, now where's my dice? I think I'll just use this one today. We'll use a red one today and see where it's going. 5. So it gets a 1. 2. I need to put it somewhere. Where can I roll this? It won't. 5. Oh, it's a 4. 4 gets 1. I hope everybody, if you're in the place that got the snow, boys, girls, and everybody, I feel sorry for you, because we got about 5 inches of snow here where I'm at, and it has just been horrible. Which, I mean, not, oops, 6. Well, it flipped over. That's okay. 6 again. The roads are horrible. They are not, it's a 5. They are not taking care of our roads whatsoever. That one's a 4. Come on, 3. You need some love. 1. 5. 2. 6. Y'all didn't see it. Yeah, they're not doing anything to our roads to get them clear or anything like that. So we're all just 3. Oh, 3 finally got 1. 4. 1. 3. Sorry if you can hear the cats. They're playing this morning. They're being little ornery. 4 again. 1. 4, 4, 3. Okay, so let's see how much we got now in each one. We'll start down here with number 6. 6 got 1, 2, 3, 4. Color that in. Kitten Love is going for house insurance. So let's see. 3, 4, 5. And is this one going somewhere? Cell phone. See, like I said, I do have places where it's going. I just can't remember. These are Christmas. I know this is Christmas. I know it's for one of the grandkids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do, let's do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one goes to Miss Amber. There's those. Aren't these beautiful? I mean, they are just so cute. And I really do love them. 1, 2, 3. Home insurance also. 1, 2, 3. Like I said, that one didn't have a place, but it's okay. We can make a home for it. Easter, I don't. Home insurance also. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, whatever we save, we'll throw it towards the home insurance, and maybe the payment will go down each month. Wouldn't that be awesome? Guys, my home insurance went up to $173. I don't know how people are going to make it with the way things are going. So these will go back into the bag of money. And I'll just randomly throw them back in there. I'm not looking. I'm just shoving down in there. And this is how I am going to figure out where this bag of money is going. It'll go into the month ahead binder, or it will go to paying off car and paying extra towards the mortgage. So guys, thank you all for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay blessed. Bye guys.